Creating scripts in Easy FPS Editor is a simple task and opens up the engine to even more options than what is simply available in the editor itself. First thing, you need to make sure you have a way to create and edit scripts. A normal Notepad document in Windows would work just fine. However, there are a few alternatives. I personally use Notepad++, but I have also created a web-based script editor. It has basic syntax highlighting that may help you understand your code better. Links for both are in the description below. For today's tutorial, we will use the web scripter. Scripts are designed to extend the functionality of Easy FPS Editor, as it is a no-code game development tool for boomer shooter style first-person shooter games. It has some pretty basic limitations with just engine editing. By diving into the proprietary scripting, you can take your game so much further. But first, you need to understand what types of scripts you have. The main three types are map scripts, map loop scripts, and decoration scripts. A map script will load a set of instructions from the script as the level is loading, whereas a map loop script will continue to run throughout the gameplay of that level. Finally, the decoration script will execute when attached to a decoration, trigger, or terminal. In today's video, we're going to set up a simple trigger with a spawn script. All you will need to have ready is an enemy sprite setup for your game. In my example, I am going to spawn my enemy called Enemy 1, a little test enemy I have for trialing new finite state machine settings. Next, I will decide where I want to spawn my enemy. Because I have this little test level set up, this is a great spot for it. So I will choose the spot just in front of the door near where the player starts. These coordinates are x32, y14, and z0. Make note of these because this will be important later. Now, to make the script, head to the Easy FPS Editor scripter or your text editor of choice. Once in the editor, we need to write the following: entity spawn at enemy 1, 32, 14, 0. This tells the engine to spawn an entity, your enemy, at the tiles x32, y14, and z0 like we looked at before. Remember, enemy needs to be the name of your enemy or it will not work. After this line, we have to have a command that returns the script to the map. Map return. If you do not add that, you will be trapped in your script and unable to continue play. Save this script. I will call it enemy spawn script. The .script file extension is what the engine looks for when loading scripts. Now save it to the project folder, your project, and the scripts folder. When saving from Easy FPS Editor scripter right now, it just saves to downloads, so you will need to move it to your scripts folder. Now, head back to your editor, place a trigger on the ground, and under trigger settings to the right, select the trigger number that corresponds with the trigger you have placed. In my case, I am choosing trigger 1. Now navigate to your scripts folder and select the spawn script, then run a test game. You should have an enemy spawn in at the location that you chose. And thanks for watching this tutorial. In the next video, we will look at creating finite state machines and spawning entities at random locations. If you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time a new tutorial video is uploaded to the channel.